Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's Frosty Gamer here, and we're playing Prepare for Impact, and yeah, we're just gonna play the 5 levels, and we're gonna end this video, and yeet. So, stop it, demon woman.
Give me your soul!
Don't slap me.
Yeah, so I'm also here with Aiden and Dan, and
Hi.
Hey.
I think I'll be playing next level.
Yes.
I literally forgot how to play the whole thing. Everyone's shaking their heads around.
Wait till you see the.
Look at this dude.
Look at that dude.
Look at that dude.
Yo, guys, I see your hair.
Alright, so I played this game already. I'm just going through the tutorial.
But I just forgot how to play the game
Fasten your
completely.
seatbelt.
I forgot.
Ooh, what show? Oh, it's the HTTP.
HCI.
Look outside the window. Okay, yay.
Yeah.
So you can say I played this.
But we literally almost forgot how to play.
Alright, so we're gonna play this one. So what show are you watching?
Chicken leg piece.
Oh, pretty nice. Nice talk. Nice talk. Nice talk, man. Yeah. This guy's ear looks so unrealistic though.
Are they the same people that one?
Landing at our destination. The weather is unfortunately bad and we may experience some very bumpy turbulence. So fasten your seatbelts and keep them fastened. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. No, but seriously, this guy's ear looks so weird. Like, also this girl's hair over there.
And look at her. Wait,
Oh, wait. This guy's ear. And
Look
also,
at
like,
that guy's over there.
like,
This is so weird.
seriously, like, why are all the ears here look so weird?
I mean, this game's a good game, but the graphics.
This is Captain Brace
Just
for
the
impact.
graphics.
Brace!
I'm ahead of the pack.
Brace!
Hello, sir? Didn't you hear him? He said brace position.
Brace! Brace!
You know, I'm just gonna like,
Brace.
oh jeez.
Look at the guy. His
Intense
eyes
fight.
next to you. Just look at his eye. The eye.
It's gonna get up. Oh jeez.
Oh my
Oh
god.
jeez. Yeah.
I guess it's now my turn.
Yeah.
I guess.
This is Captain Brace for impact.
Brace.
Bro.
I like your eye, yo. I see you guys. Wow. Prepare for impact. Your eye? Let me check if your eye will get scarred.
Emergency! Evacuate! Evacuate!
Take a life vest, dude. Take a life vest. It's raining. Oh. I love how he just screams over the microphone.
Stand!
Get out of here. Let me go.
Hey, how'd you walk through me?
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Bend down. You're
Let
gonna
me bend,
die.
guys!
Stop smoking.
Yeah, who's smoking? Hey, I don't want to see your big butt.
Oh jeez.
Oh
How
my.
did that guy not die?
Exit on the wing. Reach the slide and jump down. Exit on the wing. Reach the
That didn't, like, what was that? That looked like a bunny hopping. Alright,
Bunny hop! But the sad thing is, we're not fast as a bunny, Aaron.
Look, we're so slow in this game.
Look at this guy's eye.
Like-
I feel so bad for you. Let me give you a little hug. I just gave you a little hug.
Alright, so we're gonna play the next one. I love this one. Because we always get to see what's happening.
Oh, guys.
This is our 4th level. The next level, we're gonna end the video and yee.
Wait, check
Very
that guy's
sad.
head. For a second, I thought it looked very weird. Wait.
The hair!
Hair.
Look at this dude's head! Oh, jeez!
Brace!
Now I want to see the action here. How is it not burning the plane? Why didn't we fasten our seatbelts
Right.
before?
For your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Seriously, why didn't we fasten our seatbelts before, huh?
Fasten your seatbelts.
Brace. Just brace.
Aren't we
Be
just...
ahead of the pack. Just brace.
No, but seriously, this guy's hair looks so weird.
Nice hair, dude.
He's like,
nice
he's
hair,
like,
dude.
what's happening, man?
Nice hair, dude. Very nice.
No, look,
What gel do you use?
Emergency landing. All passengers.
Why isn't he telling you what gel he uses?
yeah, this water looks very realistic. It looks like gigantic diamonds.
Like from Minecraft?
No, but seriously, this looks like they just photoshopped it and then put it on his hair.
Yeah, like photos. I just saw water go through the floor. Release. You have to
I got it.
take it. Take that.
Finally, I can take it.
Everyone
Finally,
loves
a place
it.
I can call home.
Dance here, dun. I'm sorry, guys, if I disturbed that, but I just wanted to sing that song. It's too catchy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Inflate it.
No, you have not to inflate it now. Haven't you heard? You should inflate it when you are leaving the aircraft.
Man, I want to.
Oh my god. Just stand up.
Fine.
Whatever you say. How does the captain even see us? I don't even see any.
The closest exit is on the other direction.
No, I want to go this way.
Fine, if he says so.
No. I love how he just like, he just like, go. Just go.
Just do it.
Okay, fine.
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
I love how he just moves.
No, don't. No!
Yeah, well, never open an exit where water's leaking. So forget this guy, get out of here. What are you doing?
You need to go all the way to the ceiling. You sure? Come on, you have to. You have to touch the light.
Move
Ready?
it.
See that light?
Do
right
it.
there? You're gonna go there.
Go
Get ready,
back
get ready,
into
get
her
ready.
seat
Get
and
ready.
just
Good
sit
job,
there.
lady.
You're just gonna drown in.
Come this way. Go to sit down.
I don't want to sit with the glitches. You have.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Now it's my turn.
It's a final level.
Okay. I'm scared. Wait, what?
This one.
Oh.
I love this one.
We are here.
I love how.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize again for the delay, which was due to the poor visibility.
Okay.
We have now received permission to take off. In a few moments, we will have to merge the runway.
Fasten your seatbelt.
I love how they just Photoshop his.
Guys, why I laughed is because this guy's here. His ear too. Look at this dude.
Ah, beautiful. It's raining.
Good job, Captain. We didn't do any delays. Wait, look up there. That looks so unrealistic. We should.
Wait.
What is that? Cap?
The captain drug or like
This man. What the heck, Captain?
Don't waste time with the light bulb. We have not of war.
I love how he screams over. It's like ASMR.
Yo, come on.
He's Captain America.
Oh my god!
Jeez.
The guy didn't go.
I'm like, go. I just don't. Just go.
Go. But dance you dead.
Yeah, and you're.
How is this guy surviving? There's smoke everywhere. Oh. Move
Now
your
go.
butt.
Yeah, move your big fat butt.
Alright, let's go.
There is debris on the wings. Head
Oh no. Oh, jeez. Oh my god.
This is rated R or whatever. I don't know. This is not a movie, but who cares? It's like 13 and over.
Skip that exit.
wings.
Bend down.
Exit.
Yeah.
Don't go to that exit.
Wings. Head to
This
the
one?
next exit.
Should I rise?
Why are people just sitting here? Now you sit? That is so... Oh my god.
I want to warn you. Warn.
Leave your luggage. You are slowing down everyone.
I would just take out a knife and start stabbing you. Okay, don't do that.
Use this jump and slide. Jump and slide.
Jump.
Jump and slide.
This is very... Guys, this is really realistic. This makes you...
Look, there's only a few patches of grass.
Let me give you a hug. I'll give you a hug. Those would be a kiss. This is epic memes, guys.
Well, guys, that's gonna end it for this video. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. And also, have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. And bye. Guys, and also, if you really like this, I might turn this into a series and play these airplane games. So please like and comment. I want more of this.
We want 37 likes.
Or subscribe, please.
Okay.